Hello everyone. This video gives an in-depth explanation on how to fill the online application form for Mora Exams 2025. First of all, you are provided with some instructions regarding filling out the application form. When you first open this form, you won't be able to edit it. Editing will only be enabled after you have read all the instructions and tick the box. Keep in mind that not following the instructions or not submitting accurate information will result in your application being rejected. Before filling this form, it is necessary to pay the examination fee. The examination fee details are mentioned here. If you are taking ICT exam only, you have to pay rupees 200. Otherwise, you have to pay the full payment, which is rupees 600. Then, you need to deposit your exam fee to the bank account given here. Exam fee payment can be done in three methods. First method is through online transaction. Second method is through CDM. And the third is directly depositing in the bank. When uploading the receipt for the confirmation of payment, you must provide a description in the format, NIC number and your full name as shown here. Write this description on the receipt if you are paying through CDM or if you are directly depositing in the bank. Or if you are paying through online transaction, provide this description in the description box. Truly read all the instructions and information provided above, and if you have understood everything, tick this box. Here enter your full name, then fill in your NIC number, then your school name. If you are a private candidate, you don't need to enter your school name. All sections of the form must be filled out except school name. Next, enter your permanent address here. And then your phone number. Next, enter your email address. Make sure it is valid as all the updates regarding exam will be sent to this email address. Also, only one person can apply using one email address. Now select your gender and which medium you are. Then choose your stream. If you are taking ICT exam only, choose the option ICT only. Otherwise, choose your relevant stream accordingly. Then choose a district that will be considered for ranking, most preferably the district where you will be sitting for your final exam. Next, choose district which you will be taking your Mora exams according to your convenience. Then choose which exam center is most suitable for you. Only the appropriate exam centers are enabled in the options based on your selected gender. Finally, upload the bank receipt here. You can upload the file only if it's under 5 megabytes. Keep in mind that if the bank receipt is not submitted correctly, your registration may be cancelled. If you are doing an online transaction, take a screenshot of your transaction and upload it. If you are depositing money through CDM or directly depositing in the bank, take a picture of your receipt and upload it. You can upload files of these formats. Once you have uploaded the file, you can submit the form. If all the information is entered correctly, a confirmation pop-up will be appear shown. If there are any errors, an error message will be displayed at the bottom of the form and no pop-up will be shown. Recheck whether your details are correct. If there are any mistakes, click close and then you can edit your form. If everything is correct, click confirm. If you have any questions regarding the application process, you can contact these phone numbers. Thank you.